Hey guys, it's me Kevin and I'm back for another video. So for today, may bago tayong i-review and i-unbox at i-check natin sa games ang AISURIX RX580 video card. So itong video card na to is, this model is an old video card, but this is brand new from the company from China na nagsisimula pa lang sa market. I'll leave a link down below kung saan yung mabibili yung item, Shopee and Lazada. It's very cheap, it's very competitive, lalo na ngayon sa market na nagmumurahan lahat ng video card. So this RX580 is a real deal. Na-test ko na siya from games. I-unbox natin siya mamaya. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung yung laman. How does it perform in games? Sa mga lumang games, sa mga bagong games. If you have any question, feel free to comment down below. I'll leave the details all in the description. Pati ng website, ipapakita natin how to order, get to know the company, and whatever it is that you need to know about this company. So let's not waste any more time. So let's get in with the review. Let's go. So before we start, here is the package. Let's open up the box. Here it is, the product itself, the video card, and we have a foam packaging all around. It's very secured and protected. And here we have the manual and the cable, the power cable itself for the graphics card. I mean, that's all you get from this box, but I'm not complaining. So let's proceed with the next. So this video card in my hand, it has some weight on it. The heatsink is very heavy. It has a metal finish. It has a real good weight on it. I mean, it doesn't really feel cheap, even if it's cost significantly less compared to other reputable brands. But I think this video card, it's very nice. It's very premium feel. It has a premium feel. It has a back plate. It has a great design in the heatsink. It has a great design in the fans. I'm really impressed by the design, by the weight, the quality, and I'm really excited to test it out on my computer. So without further ado, let's try and game and install it in my computer. Let's go. So here it is, my computer. This is my entry-level computer. So I'm using the RYZEN 3200G without a graphics card. So this is the first time I'm putting a graphics card on this computer. So obviously the gameplay will be smoother, the graphics will be better. So let's install this bad boy and let's see what it's capable of. Here is their official website. They posted several items that they sell, the models that they sell, including the RX580. I mean, the details are there. I'll leave a link down below if you're interested in visiting their website. I mean, it's clean. Personally, I like the website. It's very simple. It's easy to understand, very straightforward, and I really appreciate it. Here is their Shopee website and Lazada website. So everything will be posted down below. The links will be prepared for you. So let's move on. So right now we'll be testing out this video card on several games that I prepared, and all the specs will be provided in the screen. All the games will be in 1080p. Some are in medium settings, some are in high, and I think the SPIDERMAN is in low settings. And I'll explain it to you a little bit why is it that way. So let's proceed with the gameplay and let's find out.
Where the hell did you get that slice?
Feel good. The raft's an eyesore, but it's secure. As long as the octopus-related flaws have been fixed.
Let's hope. Okay, closing in on you. Be there soon. Should let Mom know I'll be late.
Miles, ¿qué tal? Did you get the shopping list?
Hey, Mom. Yeah, but the bodega was out of coconut milk. Gonna check a store downtown.
Oh, thank you. But avoid Midtown. That prison convoy is making traffic a nightmare.
Oh yeah, good call. See you at dinner, Mom. Man, how does Pete do this secret identity thing? Completely.
So that wraps up my video about this video card, the AISURIX RX580. For me personally, in my opinion, this is a great buy if you're looking for a cheap but capable video card. The AISURIX, the brand itself, I mean, I believe in the quality that I get when I held the product in my hand. I know that I'm getting something really, really good. I mean, it's capable of playing new games. You can play hard AAA old games. I'm sure if you trickle down the options, you can get more juice out of it. So I'm really impressed by the product. Overall, the package, the things that I get from this video card. So if you have any questions regarding the quality, the company itself, feel free to comment down below. I'll be glad to answer all of it. And shout out once again to AISURIX for reaching out to me and giving me this review sample of a video card. So thank you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Cheers! May tatanong pala ako sa inyo, ano yung gusto nyong video card na review ko next? 6600 Super or 5500 XT? From AISURIX to. So let me know in the comment section down below. So tara, simulan na natin.